Introducing Florian Ice, a polished porcelain large format tile that has the ability to make spaces look lighter and brighter. Produced using the latest inkjet and manufacturing technology, Florian Ice, with its light grey leaning towards blue-grey tones, offers a clean and modern look. With its subtle veining, it is able to replicate the luxurious look and feel of the finest marble, yet still carry the low maintenance and long lifespan of tile. Rectified edges also mean precise installation with minimal grout lines. Florian Ice is suited to interior floors and walls, setting a serene tone in bathrooms and bedrooms and creating stylistic harmony in kitchens and living areas as it sits comfortably next to natural elements such as wood and pairs well with glass and metal. Harmonize it with contemporary furnishings and finishes to create a refined and calming canvas that slots beautifully into contemporary homes and open-plan living. Florian Ice is both durable and elegant and is guaranteed to bring a confident sense of luxe to any home it goes into. Find it online or in-store exclusively at Italtile.